How to add items on Lululemon Wishlist. Hi everyone, this is Alana from Create, Login and Delete. Let's jump right into the video. First, open up any web browser you want and search for shop.lululemon.com. Then you want to find the items that you want to add on your wish list. Once you have found it, the easiest way is to click on the heart icon right above the item that you want to add. Once you do that, it's going to be added to your wish list. Another option is to click on the item that you want to add. Once you click on it, it's going to open up like this. And now you can select the color or sizes from here. Then you want to scroll down and find the option that says Add to Wish List. Then click on this option, and once you do, that item is going to be added to your wish list. You can click on the heart icon at the top and then check out your wish list. And that's it for this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.